It's unbelievably rewarding to see people so excited about our top-level service. This great 5-star review really motivates our team to keep working even harder. We're really happy to share this great feedback with everyone.
It was good talking with you today. I appreciated that you answered the phone when I called, and for being knowledgeable about the products. You answered all the questions I had. I bought from you because you were helpful and offered to add the filtration system for free if I bought the MistAway Gen 3 system today. Being available, helpful, and friendly is still important to customers. Thanks.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.